There was a time when playground equipment in the local park or schoolyard was pretty basic stuff. A set of swings, a slide, maybe a seesaw or two. Today's playground equipment is far more varied, imaginative, and colorful, designed to stimulate children's minds as well as exercise their bodies. Slide down, climb on, wiggle through. There's no end to how kids can frolic on modular play structures or on this bubble-bellied dinosaur. To make the dinosaur's neck and legs, an automated bandsaw cuts long steel tubes to specific lengths. The tube for the neck is 1.7 meters long. Workers curve it in a bending press. A level helps them get it just right. Next, they weld on 2 steel plates. These will support plastic seats on which kiddies can sit. Workers also weld on bars for attaching the neck to the body. They weld anchoring tabs and supporting bars to the 4 steel tube legs. Workers sandblast the legs and neck with stainless steel grit. The sandblasting gun shoots the grit at a speed of 700 kilometers an hour. This roughens the surface, enabling paint to adhere better. After applying an undercoat of gray primer, workers spray on a coat of plastic-based paint. The paint is then baked on, which maximizes its durability. Meanwhile, a computer-guided engraving machine carves an educational design into a panel made of triple-layered polyethylene plastic. Panels like this block the open sides of playground equipment, preventing children from falling through. To construct the dinosaur's bubble-shaped body, workers bolt together 2 half-spheres made of molded polyethylene plastic. They position the bubble body on the legs. Then bolt them together from the inside. They bolt the neck to the body. The neck has since been outfitted with plastic seats and the dino's plastic head. They finish off the dinosaur with a metal label bearing product information. This factory produces several components for its modular play structures, such as a climbing net made of galvanized steel cable. The hard cable is padded in polyurethane. Workers use hydraulic scissors to cut the required lengths of cable, then a cable stripper to slice off about 3 centimeters of polyurethane from the ends of certain cables. Workers then cap each exposed end with a sleeved aluminum ring. They crimp the sleeve with a 40-ton press. The rings will be bolted to the play structure's frame and anchoring system. Finally, workers assemble the cables into a grid, locking each intersection with a plastic connector. To ensure they won't rust from exposure to the elements, the connector's central screw and corner rivets are made of stainless steel. On the modular play structure, the children walk on a platform. It's constructed from thick steel sheets, perforated by a robotic laser cutter. After bending the sheet in a press to the required shape, this is the corner section of the platform, workers heat it in an oven, then submerge it in a vat of polyvinyl, which instantly adheres to the hot metal. They build up a good coat, about 3 millimeters thick. Then let the excess drip off. They blast the entire piece with an air gun. This clears the holes and produces a textured anti-slip surface. Since playground equipment remains outdoors, all the paints and plastics are UV treated to resist fading. Besides being durable, the equipment is designed to meet all required safety standards, so that parents can have peace of mind while their children have fun.